Every winter, heat and spring, coyotes have their young. In this stage, coyotes tend to get very defensive of their territory to ensure the protection of their offspring. Although coyotes are incredible adapters to their environment and reproduce incredibly quickly, there are still several factors that limit their growth. Among these factors are the limited amount of food supply, shelter, and space. Although these limiting factors are incredibly simple, the population of coyotes on the North American continent is so large that these limiters are mostly the only factors that are keeping their population in check.
The conocyauntrons, or most commonly referred to as the coyote, is very closely related to the red wolf and shares a close ancestry with gray wolves as well. Like all others in the Canis genus, the coyote sports canine-like characteristics. Like all other mammals, coyotes are endotherms and use energy to heat up their internal body temperatures. For the varying environments that it inhabits all across the North American continent, this is important as warm temperatures are not present in most of the coyotes' habitats. Coyotes are naturally carnivores who will often eat small animals. However, if these sources of nutrition are not found, they can resort to your trash can if the opportunity sees itself. As carnivores, the coyote is often at the top of the food chain, with its only natural predators being the bigger and more aggressive gray wolf. Although the gray wolf, in comparison to the coyote, is a stronger predator, the coyote's adaptability has led it to become the top predator in many more environments. Coyotes ride a fine line between being R and K strategists. Coyote population is considered to be an R strategist. However, on a broader scale, the coyote is considered to be a K strategist. This is due to the fact that the coyote has a type 2 survivorship curve, producing many young, unlike K strategists. However, like K strategists, the coyote takes care of its young, which creates better chances for the young to survive. The growth limiting factor of space for coyotes is mostly caused by the man animal that it competes with, the gray wolf. Due to their stronger strength and size, the gray wolf often wins out the areas that they inhabit. Coyotes have adapted to stay away from these wolves, realizing that they stand no chance against them. However, due to the coyote's innate ability to adapt to almost any environment, the coyote instead occupies another space that the gray wolf would be incapable of inhabiting. Along with the wolf, the biotic factors of the coyote's environment also include the rodents, livestock, and other animals that they happen to eat. There are also several abiotic factors within their environment, including natural water and shelter available to them, and human built cities and towns that influence their behaviors.
Although coyotes are known for being in packs, typically interacting with different species, they still share mutualistic relationships with other animals, such as the badger.
Studies have shown that this unusual relationship is beneficial for both species. The coyote can chase down prey if it runs, and the badger can take after prey if it heads underground into its burrow systems. Both of these animals together make each other more efficient at catching prey. When hunting with their own kind, unlike with the badger, coyotes howl to each other, use body language, and urinate on trees, bushes, and rocks to mark their territory. These communications are also used by other wild dogs, such as gray and red wolves. Coyotes also have several different behaviors falling into the category of learned and innate. Most coyotes are innately shy to most animals. This includes anything from staying away from humans or staying inside their territory. This is probably evolved through natural selection, as coyotes who are more shy are more likely to avoid danger. A learned behavior coyotes have retained or switching their sleep cycles to become nocturnal animals in urban areas. These behaviors are maintained in order to avoid humans during the daytime. Coyotes, due to the wide range of environments they inhabit and their position as a top predator, as a top carnivore in some ecosystems, coyotes provide a number of benefits, including regulating the populations of smaller predatory species such as skunks, raccoons, and foxes, which helps boost biodiversity.
Genetic variation helps coyotes succeed in their environment. Their teeth. Having sharp canine teeth is a necessity for these animals, as they are carnivores and need to be able to easily rip through flesh and meat to eat their meals. Humans often have a bad influence on a coyote's environment, with this animal often being a target of poisoning, trapping, and shooting. Coyotes persist in North America today, and conflicts with people continue. The fact is that 200 years of costly persecution have not eliminated the resilient coyote, but they still raise significant animal welfare issues.